Okay guys, now I'm in the hotel room, Baiyoke Sky Hotel in Bangkok. And this is how the room is. 2 single beds, 1 sofa, and we have our luggage here. And you see it's a spacey room, like lots of space, but pretty simple room actually. But it's okay. There's a sofa, there's a small table here, there's the beds in the middle of Bangkok, and then you have the small workspace here, I think. Hello. And then you have a room for your baggage in here, and as you see here, there's plenty of space in this hotel room here in Baiyoke Sky Hotel. You have the air condition up here, a small screen, and in here we have the bathroom, a big bathroom too, with a shower, toilet, and a big mirror. Everything okay, and a bathtub here in the corner, and some towels up there. So that is the hotel room, and this hotel room is, the pricing for this hotel room is a little below 4,000 baht for 2 nights and 3 days. And if we want to check out late, it doesn't cost extra. We have to check out 11 or 12 o'clock Sunday, and then we can go out in Bangkok and have our luggage stored in the hotel. It costs nothing. So Baiyoke Sky Hotel in Bangkok, this is the room, and now I will go out and take a look at the surroundings in this hotel. I think it's 80 floors high, and we stay on the 60th floor. Did I tell you that the price was including breakfast? And it's a big breakfast buffet. Now we are on the 77th floor on Baiyoke Sky Hotel in Bangkok. This is a model of the hotel, and over here we have another model of the hotel. And of course, the most fun part, or what you can call it, is a view from 77th floor in the middle of Bangkok here. Yeah, you have the view from 4 different angles, but we go to the top floor and get the view from I think it's between 80 and 88 floor. Here we are on the 86th floor, I think, or 85 or 87, I cannot remember. But you see, this floor is moving, so you don't have to walk around to see everything. So it moves, and then you get a totally view 360 degrees around from Baiyoke Sky Hotel in Bangkok. And here we have the reception area in Baiyoke Sky Hotel in Bangkok. And as you see, it's on the 18th floor. And then you have the relax area and golf area on this floor. And you can go and enjoy a cup of coffee or a drink here. It's a relaxation area. You can look at the fish in the water here, or sit at one of the tables over to the left, and you can enjoy the view from Baiyoke Sky Hotel from the golf court here, and take a game of mini golf, I think it is, on this green area. You can bring your kids here and play some mini golf with them, and when the kids are playing, you can go inside and sit and relax, have a coffee, have a drink, check your computer or your phone, and look at the fish in the water. So let's go for a sightseeing in Bangkok. This time I go to IconSiam shopping mall, one of the newest and biggest shopping malls in Bangkok. It has a lot of floors. It has a big inside waterfall. It has a beautiful view over the big river in Bangkok, with the boats going on the river, and yeah, it's just a nice view. You can go in the restaurant inside, or you can go to the lot of shops and shop for clothing or whatever you need, electronics, whatever. Or you can sit outside and relax with a drink, a beer or a cup of coffee, and look at the big river in Bangkok. And here we are on one of the sois, one of the streets nearby Baiyoke Sky Hotel. It's just around the corner. You have a big market here, a very big market. So watch out when you go in that market, because you can if you can find your way out again. But they sell everything in here, very cheap clothes, very low priced clothing and shoes and everything. And you can also take a tuk-tuk, but you have to be careful when you choose to go with a tuk-tuk because they can be overpriced. Exactly as the taxis in Bangkok, they are overpriced too. They always start with 400 or 500 baht no matter where you go in Bangkok, and then you can negotiate down to 200 baht or 250 baht. But watch out for the tuk-tuks because they are overpriced and they drive you to carpenters and all that, even that you don't ask for it. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video from Baiyoke Sky Hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. I hope you enjoyed my video and please give it a like. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I will say thank you for watching my video and take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.